What's going on, SC430 community? Today's video, we're going to be doing just basically a walkthrough of me repairing my rims. So, as some of you may know, some people, when you're driving, parallel parking, etc., sometimes you get curb rash, right? So, for my wheels, the ones I currently have are 19-inch ISF sport wheels, so it's not the original wheels that came with this car. They currently have curb rash perfectly all the way around the entire wheel and on all four of them, and I thought that wasn't going to be repairable, so I bought another set of 4 used ISF sport wheels that are in better condition, probably more easily repairable. And the reason I'm keeping the ISF sport wheels because I like them, and I don't really want to buy a whole brand new set aftermarket ones. So currently I'm quoted at $1,575, and the reason being is because I'm going to get the 4 that I purchased, going to get those 4 repaired and repainted in a glossy black, so it won't be that kind of like metallic grayish kind of color. So that's the reason why it's going to be probably obviously it's going to be more expensive, right? And then on top of that, they're going to be doing wheel balancing, and then they're also going to be painting my calipers. They're going to be painting them, try to get it to like the reflective glossy OEM gold that you see on some other gold emblems on other Toyota, Lexus, Honda vehicles. And yeah, so in the next clip, I'm going to show you just basically what the wheels that are on my car currently, how curb rash they are, and then I'm going to show the other 4 that I'm going to be trying to get repaired, repainted, and so forth. So basically, the wheels that I have on now, I'm probably just going to sell it, you know, to whoever, and then keep the 4 good ones, right? So we'll do a before and after, and honestly, it's going to look really good. If you guys plan on trying to repair your wheels, if you have curb rash, if I didn't do the calipers, the cost just to fix the curb rash and get it, you know, recoated or powder coated, it's going to run just about probably, I want to say $700, $800-ish dollars. So honestly, not too bad. It's just obviously the extra cost for me, at least, is because I'm repainting it a completely different color that isn't OEM, and I'm doing the calipers on top. But yeah, so if we'll see how it goes. And then here you can see that I have asked them to take a few pictures and some videos of the process of how everything went. Unfortunately, they weren't able to do it for repairing the rims and painting them a glossy black, but they did send me this video of them prepping to repaint the calipers, and I was repainting them gold, and that costed about, I want to say, $800. So I was going to do it myself, but it can be a lot of work to do on your own, and honestly, it's the summer currently right now, so we're averaging about 110 degrees every day, right? So I honestly just didn't want to put in the effort to do all of that, and you know, in the heat, and then having to paint it, and then having to deal with the monsoon, and you know, potentially ruining the job, right? So I thought, since I was going on vacation anyway, and I wanted to get the rims repaired, they offered to do the calipers as well, and I was like, might as well. Then you can see here the final product. I was told it was going to take about a week, so I dropped it off on a Friday, and then I went on vacation. But by the time I came back on vacation, which was Tuesday afternoon, they told me it was already ready. So it finished earlier than expected, and during this weekend, or that weekend, monsoon ended up hitting, and there was a really bad storm, and I was kind of worried about my car, but it ended up coming out really, really good. You can see the reflection, right, in the rims compared to what it looked like before. It looks like it's brand new right out of the factory, right? And then the gold, it looks absolutely amazing. It matches the cap that I have for the tire pressure, and it matches the gold badges I have that I have on the car. So I think it came out really, really well, way better than expected. So definitely worth it. I mean, if you're willing to put in the cash. Like I said, I mean, for me, it ended up being, I was quoted at $1,575, but ended up they only charged me for $1,520. So that's awesome. So if you were to ever just want to get your rims repaired and repainted, it only costed $800 for all 4 wheels. Well, there you have it. Got my Lexus SC430 wheels repaired, repowder coated, and got my calipers painted. So in conclusion, it came out a lot better than I expected, and it finished a lot quicker than I expected as well. Going from quoted at $1,575, and they were going to take it for a week, ended up turning into $1,520, and it only took about 3-4 days. So if you guys are interested, it's called Phoenix Rim Repair or Express Repair in Glendale, Arizona, for my Arizona people out here that also own an SC430, or you know, if you want to get any of your wheels repaired or repainted for whatever car. But I thought I'd make this video just to show you guys, you know, the experience, and it was a little bit stressful, but all in all, I'd honestly give it probably a good 4.5 stars. I only put 4.5 instead of 5 stars because I started to see, when I was washing the car, a few imperfections in the paint when I was looking at it like really close up. But honestly, not a big deal. It's the, you know, it still came out looking really nice, and I even followed their instructions of using Windex to clean the wheels. So overall, absolutely amazing, especially for how expensive it was. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.